Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to download Disney Plus application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store and bring up the search box. Type in Disney Plus in the search box and search. You will come across this application interface. Simply tap on the Get button to start downloading Disney Plus on your iPhone. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed in order to get it operated on your device. Disney Plus is a subscription streaming service from Walt Disney Company. It offers a wide variety of movies, TV shows, documentaries, and originals across their various brands, including Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic. So that is how you will be able to get the correct Disney Plus application downloaded on your iPhone in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.